The library is one of the most interesting sections of the Reading Horizons Elevate software. Through the library, you will build your reading fluency as you practice the skills that you learn in the lessons. You can get to the library passage selection screen by clicking on the library link in the main menu. Here, you will see your passage comprehension level. Over time, this Lexile measure will change as you read new passages and complete the quizzes. The other tools will help you search, sort, and filter the passages. If you know the title or part of the title, you can search for it, and only passages with those words or letters will appear in the right panel. The Sort tool will order passages by Lexile measure, low to high, or alphabetically by title, A to Z. The Filtering tools can limit the displayed passages by category, status, difficulty, and Lexile level. The library contains 330 passages with Lexile measures ranging from 200L to over 1300L. The library allows you to read passages that are near or below your current passage comprehension level. As your level increases, you will have access to higher level passages. You will earn library points for reading passages, and a certain number of library points are required to progress through the lesson sequence. Bronze passages are below your current level, so reading one earns you 1 library point. Silver passages are at your current level and earn you 2 library points. Gold passages are just above your current level and are worth 3 library points. Although most locked passages are above your passage comprehension level, some passages are locked because they are especially interesting and entertaining. You can unlock these special passages using the coins that you earn by completing lessons and library quizzes. To unlock one of these passages, click Purchase. Confirm or cancel your purchase using the buttons in the pop-up window. The required amount of coins will be reduced from your coin total. To read a passage, click on its title or preview image. This will load the passage preview screen. Here you can preview the passage terms and challenge words that can help you better understand the topic before you read. Click on the audio button to hear the narrator read the word or phrase aloud, or click the magnifying icon to see the definition. To begin the reading passage, click Start Reading. The passage will load in the large left panel. In the right panel, you will see images related to the passage content. Use the scroll bar to move the text up or down. Click Start Quiz when you have finished reading. Depending on the level of the passage, there will be 5 to 10 questions on the quiz. To answer a quiz item, read the entire question and all answer options, then select the best answer. Click the audio button next to any question or answer to have the narrator read it aloud. Click Next when you're ready to go to the next question. Once you have answered all the questions, you can click Submit to see your results. In the left panel of the quiz results screen, you will see your score and the number of coins you've earned from the passage. The right panel contains several options. Review Quiz allows you to see which items you got right or wrong. Review Skills loads the passage in the left panel. Using the buttons on the right panel, you can highlight words that match specific Reading Horizons skills. Listen loads the passage on the left panel. The narrator will read the text aloud, and you can follow along. Retake Quiz will allow you to read the passage and take the quiz again. Your new score will override your existing score, so only select this option if you want to replace your score. Exit will take you back to the library passages selection screen. Happy reading!